Hey Baddies, so I'm back with another video. This video will be showing you how I keep my $7 press-on nails to last for an entire week. I have not been going to the nail shop for years because it's just gotten too expensive, first of all. And second of all, I don't like to keep the nails on very long since I became a press-on girly. So this video is going to break it down step by step how to make these last longer than a day or two. I'm gonna get right into the video. If you already have nail polish on your nails, you're gonna have some acetone. Now I have this clear one right here, and I also have this pink one right here. But I feel like this pink one was just for aesthetics because it does not work as good as this one right here. So I'm going to remove the nail polish that I have on. And then you're going to file the nail. And basically to make them dry. And once I'm done removing this nail polish, I'm going to be right back. Now that I have the color off, I'm going to file them just to make them dry. And another reason why I stopped going to the nail shop and paying to get my nails done is because every nail tech will have a different price. Like I literally will go in for the most basic thing, and one person will tell me 45, one person will say 55, and I'm like, hold on, no, we're not about to do this right here. Because the last time I went to the nail salon, it was the most basic. I don't get designs, I don't get diamonds, I don't get anything. I just get a solid color, and they was trying to tell me 55, and I said I wanted them short / medium, and he was telling me 55, and I was like, for what? I'm not paying that. So he was mad. He cut them super short, and then he was like, yeah, somebody else is gonna do it. I know, because no, I feel like they be adding their tip inside of the price, because it's never worth what they're saying. So that's why I just be like, okay, I'm not doing that. So now I have them dry. Okay, so now that you have the nails filed, you're going to use this cuticle pusher basically to push the cuticles back just so that the nail can fit even better on your nail. Also, if you have any like skin poking out, if you know what I'm trying to say, within the nail, you can just like rip it out. Because sometimes when I do it, it's like the nail is like right on the top of my skin and it hurts. So you want to push it back as much as possible. So then you're going to take out the nails and size them up for your hand. Now I believe I got these from Ross. Oh shit. So after you have the nails sized out for your hand, you're going to use a super glue. This is a beauty supply brand, but you can also use the Kiss brand. And even more important than a specific type of glue is the layering of the glue. So you're supposed to put the glue on your hand, on your nail. Let me see if I ran out. I might have to use the new one I just bought. Wow, what a coincidence. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use this new one that I got. It's from the Dollar Tree, actually. This is my first time buying nail glue from the Dollar Tree. But again, you're putting it on your nail. I have to cut it. You will be putting the glue on your nail, a nice amount, a medium size amount on your nail, and also on the fake nail. And you're gonna hold it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And try not to get the glue on your hand, because you know how that can be. And you're gonna just press it for 15 seconds. And once I have all the nails on, I'm going to come back and show y'all the last couple steps. So now I am back with the full set on. And what I'm gonna do next is use this drill that I bought from Amazon. Basically, I had bought an entire acrylic nail set kit, and it came with this drill, and it also came with a UV light, just to add the extra shine to the nails once you put on the cuticle oil or the top coat. So basically, let me see if it's on. Okay, so basically what I do is just drill it down for like, let me see, 15 seconds across the top, just to make sure it's fully on there. Even more. I made a video like this before. I might have deleted it because I was doing just makeup, but this is a random video that you definitely gonna use. So there you go. And it just drills it down even more at the top, because usually that's where it starts lifting at the very top. So that's how I like to do it. And it works for me. I actually still have some of the stuff that came with the kit. So yes, I do my nails, my hair, my makeup, my lashes. I don't book appointments, y'all. So check out my playlist. So when I'm done with all the other nails, I'm gonna come back. So after I'm done drilling them, I'm dusting off the excess. And because I didn't have the cuticle oil, I improvised and I used this Vaseline that I have. And this is the final look of the nails. So again, if you don't want to pay $50, $55, $60 for the most basic set, grab you some $7 press-on nails and follow this method. Make sure, like, if you're washing dishes a lot, that you grab the gloves. You can get that from like Burlington's, TJ Maxx, and stuff like that. If you don't want to excessively wash your hands, you can use like hand sanitizer. And sometimes, like, if I just rushed and did my nails, press-on nails, or if I rush and put my lashes on, I always carry the glue in my purse. So that's what you definitely want to do, especially if you're doing like a whole bunch of washing your hands, doing dishes, doing heavy stuff around the house, you make sure that you keep the glue on you, and just try not to lift as much and do too much, because sometimes, like when I have on my nails, those are the times where I'm not going to be overdoing it as far as cleaning. So that's another good thing I like about having press-on nails, is because when it's time to clean, when it's time to do stuff around the house, I can just rip them off, do what I gotta do, and then when I know that it's pretty much all the stuff around the house is done, or I'm not gonna be lifting and doing a whole bunch of other stuff, then that's when I know I can really wear the nails, you know. So that's the good thing about press-on nails. So if you like this video, like it, comment, and let me know what you think, or if you're gonna try this method. And also like this, also comment so that you can boost the video, so that I can tell y'all how long these actually lasted without me double dipping and putting any extra glue back on here. So today is Saturday, what's today's date? November 29th. So if you boost this video in enough time, I'm going to tell y'all how long these lasted without me adding any more glue or anything else. But yeah, these are so worth it. I got these from Ross for like $7. Same with the wigs. When you buy them at a low cost, like the synthetic wigs or even the braided wigs, which is going to be my next tutorial, you can switch it up a lot. I know some people be like, oh, I can never do press-ons, I can never do synthetic. But the people that really wear press-ons, that really do the synthetic wigs, this is not a synthetic wig, but the people that do know how good it feels to constantly switch up your look. Like some people don't want to wear the same wig for 2 months straight. I don't want to wear the same wig for 2 months straight. I don't want to have the same nails on for 6 weeks to 8 weeks. I just can't. So yeah, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, and check out all my 100 sub makeup videos, because I will be going live soon. So stay tuned.